Hello kiddies, this is our respiratory system image made with clay. I discussed the mainly function of respiratory system. So are you ready? Our respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues that help us to breathe. With this system we can absorb oxygen from the air so our organs can work because our body is depend on oxygen, so it's very important system for our body because with the help of this system we can absorb the oxygen for living. It also cleans waste gases such as carbon dioxide from our blood. Hope you enjoy. So if you enjoy and want to know something other things, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.